If we wanted to be able to allow anonymous users to submit unmoderated comments, we would need to give them a special permission. So let's go back to our administration page, go to People and Permissions. We'll scroll down to Comment again, and here we have Skip Comment Approval, and that's what we would need. This means that posts by somebody with this permission will be published automatically. Let's set that for now. We'll click Save Permissions. And then later, if we run into problems with spammy posts, we can come back and turn that off and tighten up security a bit. Now what we need to do is add some spam deterrent to the comment form. Again, we're using Mollum and Honeypot. Let's set up Honeypot first. I'm going to use Coffee to jump to the Honeypot module settings. Note that if there's only one option in Coffee, you can just hit Enter and it will jump to that top option. So let's scroll down, and here under Comment Forms, we have Default Comments Comment Form. Let's check that and click Save Configuration. And now let's enable Mollum. So I'm going to jump to Mollum with Coffee here. Let's add a form. We'll select the default comments form. So default comments is the comment type. If we added more comment types, we should see additional options here. Let's set this to CAPTCHA just to make sure that we're dealing with the right form. We'll be able to see the CAPTCHA to review it. I'll click Create Protected Mollum Form. Now let's go back to the comment form in our incognito window. All right, we're seeing CAPTCHA. Good. Let's switch the Mollum protection to text analysis. So I'm jumping back to our admin page. I'll click Edit next to the comments form, and I'll click Text Analysis. We'll leave everything at the defaults, and I'll click Update Protected Mollum Form. If we go back to the anonymous page, we won't see anything, but if we put spam here under the comment and click Save, the text analysis gets triggered and we see our CAPTCHA.